Okay, for our next phonics lesson, we're going to focus on writing the letter A again. Okay, so pull out your Scholastic Phonics booklet. Let's open this up. And we're going to this page right here. Okay. This is got a lesson 1 at the top, and down here at the bottom it says page 9. Okay. And this is our capital or uppercase A. So you're going to go ahead and trace it first. So slant down, cross over, slant down, cross over, slant down, cross over. Okay, so now you can write 3 by yourself. Slant down, cross over, slant down, cross over, connect them together, and slant down, cross over. Ah. Okay. Now, down at the bottom, it says find each capital A, uppercase A, and you're going to color that shape brown. Okay. And it says then color the rest of the picture. So we're using our brown crayon here. So I'm going to find, there's an A right there. There's an A, there's an A, there's an A, there's an A. So not the whole ant, and there's an A there. So I can use other colors on this picture, okay? So this is a really great picture of this ant, boys and girls, because it really shows the parts of an ant, okay? So believe it or not, this part that I'm coloring here, this is the abdomen, okay? Abdomen is a fancy word to say stomach. So this part right here, there's 3 parts to an insect: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. So this part is the abdomen that I colored 2 brown parts on. The abdomen is like the stomach. Then right here, these 3 A's right here are on the thorax. So the thorax is a fancy way of saying lungs, or the breathing, the part that helps us breathe. So this is where this ant is going to have air coming in and out of the inside of the body. And then of course here's the head. And if you notice on the insects, insects have 3 body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. They have antennae, okay, and they have 6 legs. So if you count the legs on this ant, you'll find there's 6 legs, okay? Lot to know from learning about just one little ant, right? So I'm going to color this part of my ant brown, and then I think I'll do the rest of him black. Most of the ants that I see are black. I don't particularly like seeing ants, well, if they're outside, it's okay. I just don't really like them inside at all, unless they're inside an ant like colony, one that you buy so that you can study them. Those are kind of neat to get if you get one, as long as the ants don't get out. But if you do get an ant colony to observe ants, you can see how they tunnel. It usually comes with a lighter colored sand, sometimes a white sand, so you can really see how the ants create their colonies and live together and tunnel. So that's a fun way to study and learn about insects, boys and girls. Okay, so I'm almost done coloring my ant. Okay, so once you finish, go ahead and give yourself an exit ticket at the top of the page. Well done today, boys and girls.